Hello and welcome to Deck Builders San Jose, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are talking about that very first meeting with a deck builder and the questions smart homeowners ask before they hire anyone. When you sit down for a consultation, it is easy to feel like the contractor is driving the conversation. They talk about layouts, colors, maybe a few price ranges, and you just nod along. Instead, you should be the one steering with good questions. Let us start with the basics. First, ask about licenses and insurance for deck building in your area. A solid company will answer that quickly and clearly. Then, ask for recent examples of decks, patios, or porches they have built in or around San Jose. If they can point you to photos, videos, or local projects, it tells you they actually do this type of work regularly, not just once in a while. Next, move from paperwork to structure. Ask how they size posts, beams, and joists for your deck. You do not need to know the technical numbers, but you want to hear that they follow building codes and think carefully about spans, loads, and footing depth. A good builder will talk about concrete footings, proper hardware, and solid connections at the house, not just we always build them strong. Then shift to design. Ask how they plan the layout so stairs, railings, and traffic paths feel natural and safe. On multi-level decks, ask how they keep each level stable and how they make sure the railings stay firm over time. These questions show you whether they see your deck as a real structure people will use every day, not just a nice picture. Materials are another big topic. Ask which decking materials they recommend and why. When composite decking comes up, listen for more than brand names. For example, Fiberon composite decking is built to handle daily traffic and shifting weather, with less fading and less ongoing maintenance than many wood boards. A thoughtful builder will explain those differences instead of just pushing whatever is easiest for them to install. You should also ask about maintenance expectations. What will you need to do each year to keep the deck in good shape? A solid answer will explain cleaning, possible sealing or staining for wood, and what to expect from composite over time. That way you know what you are signing up for, not just what it looks like on day one. Before you finish the meeting, talk about schedule, permits, inspections, and change orders. Ask how long the job will take once it starts, who handles the permits, and how they update you if something needs to change. A clear builder will walk you through their process step by step instead of giving vague timelines. If you want help planning that first consultation, Tough Deck Builders San Jose is here to make things simple. You can reach our team at 408-831-7954 or visit toughdeckbuilderssanjose.com to learn more about our deck construction services and schedule a meeting. We focus on structure, safety, and long-term value, so you know exactly what you are getting before any work begins. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders San Jose. When you are ready to sit down with a builder, bring these questions with you and reach out to Tough Deck Builders San Jose for straightforward advice and solid, dependable outdoor construction.